Hello people, it's Denise here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make coated sweet potato snacks. Yes, coated sweet potato snacks. Let's go. So basically these are the stuff that we need. We need sweet potatoes, we need wheat flour, we need food color, we need vanilla extract, we need baking powder. Yes, so when you come to the procedure, we are going to grate the sweet potatoes. Yes, so we are going to use a grater to grate those sweet potatoes. Why we grate them? I wanted them to be tiny for easy squeezing to form a bigger. Okay, you will see the result. Yes. So after grating the sweet potatoes, you are going to grate the green peppers and onions within the sweet potatoes. But I only wanted green pepper this time round, but you can also put in onions or any other vegetable that you would wish to put in the sweet potatoes. So for me, I wanted to put in green pepper, and yeah, it came out perfectly perfect. Yes, so you use your fingers to squeeze the sweet potatoes, as you can see. Yes, so that they can, I don't know how to call it, but so that they can become as one, I'll call that. Yes, so you smash, I will say smash. You smash the sweet potatoes until, yes, until they become like that. Yeah, like that. After that, you put some oil on your fingers so that you can remove a piece of the sweet potato. I'll say a piece of a sweet potato from the big piece. Then we are going to roll out that piece so that we cut out some pieces. Yes. We need to know that when we are rolling out the sweet potatoes, we need to be a bit careful. So that's why even me, I also first use the fingers to spread out the sweet potatoes. Then I used a roller at the last minute, because the sweet potatoes were breaking up when I was using the roller at first. So I had first use my hands to spread out the sweet potatoes. So we should also know that. Yes. And when we are cutting out the pieces, we should also be careful, because my dears, the things break. So you have to handle it so that the shape they do not break out. Yes. So after cutting out the pieces, we are going to go to the process of making the coating that should be on top of the sweet potatoes. So we are going to use a little bit of wheat flour. Then we are going to grate in some green pepper and onions. Then afterwards, we are going to put in eggs. I won't say that you should put in 2, 3, 4. No, you put in the desired amount of eggs that you would really want. Yes, so as you can see, for me, I used mob of eggs. I think I used like honestly speaking, I think I used like 7. Yeah, all 6, I'm not really sure, but literally I think I used 6 or 7 there. So we are going to put in some water and then mix up the process, mix up the solution. Mix up the process now, mix up the solution, yes. So we are going to add in enough water until the solution turns to that. Yes, until the solution turns to that. So afterwards, we are going to add in some cinnamon, and then we are going to add in some powdered spices. For me, in my process, I mix up the spices so that I can put them in at once. So bebaite ebinzaali. Okay, in Uganda we call it ebinzaali. So after, back to our coating solution, we are going to add in some baking powder, and I think I added in a half a teaspoon. So afterwards, we are going to add in some food color, yes, to give our solution color, and I used orange and egg yellow. Yeah, there is a color that we call egg yellow, and there is another color that we call orange. So I used both those colors, and it came out really fine and perfect because that's the color that I wanted. So we are going to add in some drops of vanilla extract, and I think I added in like 5 drops of vanilla. Then after, we are going to mix our solution up thoroughly. Okay, we mix it thoroughly, and yeah, so our solution. So afterwards, we are going to add in some salt, enough salt that you believe is enough. Yes, for me, I used I would say a quarter teaspoon, all there. Enough, I would say enough. So our solution is ready. So we are going to put in some oil in the frying pan. So afterwards, I'm sorry I never showed you that clip when I was dipping the sweet potato pieces into the coating solution, but just know I was picking the potato pieces, the sweet potato pieces, dipping them into the coating solution and putting them into the oil. Yes, so you give them time, but you please make those snacks with low heat, as in it should be low heat, not that high heat, because these snacks can burn up. Yes, they burn up before even they're ready, and they're not sweet because they'll burn up, turn to a blackish color without even getting ready. So you use low heat. So as you can see, our sweet potatoes are ready. Our coated sweet potato snacks are ready. You can take them with your tea, coffee, milk, what else, juice, what else, nanasi, what else, okay, so many things. You can take them with milkshake, so many things. So you guys, I would like to thank each and every subscriber again who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. And I would like to also request those guys who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, comment, click on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video, and also smash that like button if what you're watching is nice. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.